introduce themselves.
Hi everyone. My name is Henry Grosskruger. I'm 7 years old and in 2nd grade. Did you know that ants not only use their antennas for touching things, but they also use them for smelling? And did you know that ants can lift 20 times their body weight?
Pretty interesting, isn't it? So the name of his song is Ant March. So we had a lot of talk about ants.
Today is all about ants, not uncles.